I modeled, printed, painted, and hid Meccha chameleons all around my house. Now watch how I made them and see if you can find them all. Now it's time to find all the Meccha chameleons. See if you can spot them all, then tell me in the comments where they were hiding. Were you paying close attention? Did you notice that some photos had more than one Meccha chameleon hiding in them? Subscribe, leave a like, and in the next video I'll reveal where they were all hiding.